Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting into Bedwars and narrowing choices. Make sure you're on the latest client and logged in. Once done, open the lobby browser and use the filter or sort to surface labeled games. Search for Mode 1 or the Mode ID. You start a targeted join rather than random quick play because Mode 1 may be hosted on specific lobbies. If you see player counts and map names, pick a populated server to avoid empty matches and proceed to join it now. Once in a lobby, locate the mode or map selector. This is where games choose their rules. If the lobby requires voting, cast your vote for Mode 1 immediately and encourage teammates to pick it too, majority rules in most public lobbies. If the host directly sets the mode, request Mode 1 in chat or use the party leader privileges if you have them. Make sure the per-game countdown displays Mode 1 so you don't end up in a different rule set when the match launches. You're almost done. Confirm the start screen lists Mode 1 and that the server fills to the required player count. If the game starts with the wrong mode, exit politely and immediately search and rejoin another Mode 1 lobby. Don't waste time in mismatched matches. If you repeatedly can't find Mode 1, make sure your client is updated. Clear any cached lobby data by relaunching Roblox and reapply filters. This resolves most visibility problems and gets you into the correct mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.